On our preview video, we'll learn how to use pattern, using pattern stamp tool, fill tool from edit menu, or pattern overlay from layer styles. In this occasion, I want to show you how to use patterns we made ourselves. Creating a new pattern is really simple. We only have to create a new document on the size we want our pattern. In this case, I want my pattern to be 6 by 6 pixels. That is a document really small. I'm going to pick the pen tool and I'm drawing a line. Let's make it black. Now I want this document. Okay, let's return it its original size to become a pattern. So I go to Edit, Define Pattern. I'm calling it Línea Negra, black line. Now, I return to this document. I create new layer and I can see that among texture list, we find the one we just created. Repito, I'm using it to color the background right now. Okay, I am reducing the opacity now and I am creating a nice texture. Any texture we make need to have the ability to get tired, as we keep using it to draw, making an ongoing pattern. So, if you are making a texture of a circle, we create a 30 by 30 document. I make a circle here with knot line. A gradient fill. I duplicate it. And place it upside down so the gradient has the opposite direction. I place it on top of the rest layers and I am making it even smaller. I place it upside down as well. And the result is this button. Okay, now I want this part to be transparent. Now I go to Edit, Define Pattern, and I'm naming it Botón, button. Now I can use this pattern as background, for example. Let's make a new layer and fill it with any color. Black in this case. So I go to Effects, Pattern Overlay, and among the list, I find the new pattern. There we go. I can scale it to be as small or as big as we need it to be. I can even move it if I want to. So if I need a complete line, I press OK and I only have to transform the space. Okay? Here I can choose the fill to be transparent. And there will only be the pattern. Let's move it again. OK. If you notice, I was just able to make a buttons line without having to duplicate anything, simply by removing the original fill color. I did not remove the opacity, as the opacity affects everything. This is how to create a repetition patterns. So, any pattern we make, we go to Edit, Define Patterns. And now, this whole design is a repetition pattern. You need to consider the size. In this case, size does matter, because the texture will keep the original size. On our next video, I will show you how to download patterns from internet and to install them into your computer. See you next time.